What is Tesla Grounding DG? Tesla Grounding DG by TeslaCare is a cutting-edge portable wellness device that uses scalar energy technology and terahertz (Thertz) frequencies to rebalance the body's natural energy field. It offers wireless grounding, meaning no cables, no electrical outlets, and no physical contact required. Inspired by Nikola Tesla's principles, this device reconnects your body to the Earth's vital energy field, promoting better health, balance, and vitality. Key technologies: a 3-in-1 bioenergetic system. 1 Terahertz (Thertz) frequency. These frequencies naturally resonate with the human body's cellular structure, stimulating cell activation, improving blood flow, and enhancing overall vitality. 2 Optical quartz core functions as a gentle UV frequency amplifier, offering a cellular recharge similar to natural sunlight, only 1/40th of typical UV energy, while strengthening the auric field and boosting energetic protection. 3 Scalar quantum energy penetrates deeply into tissues and organs, helping to revitalize internal systems, support energy flow, and rebalance the nervous and endocrine systems. Main benefits of Tesla Grounding DG: promotes deep, restorative sleep, boosts energy levels, mental clarity, and cellular regeneration, supports emotional balance and stress reduction, enhances circulation, muscle recovery, and immune resilience, facilitates a natural, non-invasive detoxification process. Note: these statements have not been evaluated by the FDA and are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult with your healthcare provider. How it works: no wires, no limits, wireless design, no need for grounding mats, plugs, or cords, portable and lightweight, ideal for home, office, or travel. Daily use recommendation: beginners, 20 to 30 minutes per session. Advanced users, up to 2 hours daily in divided sessions, max 4 sessions. Tesla Grounding DG versus traditional grounding methods. Feature: traditional grounding. Tesla Grounding DG requires physical contact, yes. No needs power source, yes. No portability limited. Fully portable. EMF protection may be exposed. Scalar shielded installation required, yes. Plug free, ready to use. Real user testimonials: I've never felt so much energy and clarity. I use it every morning and my productivity has soared. My sleep improved dramatically within days. I now wake up feeling refreshed and pain-free. It helps reduce my anxiety and makes me feel more grounded even in chaotic environments. Verified TeslaCare customers. Where to buy plus guarantee. Official website, teslacar.net. Satisfaction guarantee, 30 to 60 days depending on your region. Returns and support, available through authorized retailers and TeslaCare support. Current pricing. Visit the site for ongoing offers and product bundles. Integration into your wellness routine. Morning energy boost, 20 minutes before starting your day. Midday recovery, 15 minutes during break time or after workouts. Evening relaxation, 30 to 45 minutes to enhance sleep and calm the mind. Long-term use, build consistency over weeks for cumulative results. Final thoughts: is Tesla Grounding DG worth it? Tesla Grounding DG is a revolutionary solution for those seeking to enhance their bioenergetic balance, reduce EMF exposure, and reconnect with Earth's natural healing frequency, all without physical grounding wires or electrical connections. If you're looking for an advanced, non-invasive way to optimize your health, sleep, and energy naturally, Tesla Grounding DG offers an unmatched combination of science-backed frequencies and scalar energy in a compact, wireless format. Ready to reconnect with your natural energy? Visit the official website to learn more. TeslaCare.net. Tesla Grounding DG.